Okay, we got the approval to leave the dock. No leaks. Travel lift is operating, lowering the aft straps deep into the water so the active fin stabilizers will clear. You can see the boat starting to float now, meaning it was sitting in the straps earlier. Now it's floating freely. Single engine boat, single John Deere, hydraulic bow thruster, hydraulic stern thruster. I don't know if you noticed, I used a little bow thruster right there. Smooth, slow, and steady. Now they're lifting the straps up out of the water. It's 4 o'clock in the evening. This may be their last launch of the day. Don't want slime going on the straps. I think he's backing up. He's got a port side wind. You can see the bow thruster blowing. It's going to get a running start like an airplane and head into the fuel dock. I'm going to walk over, see how the pelicans are looking for dinner. And I'm going to rest on this pylon to get a steady unipod. See somebody in a red shirt to the far left of the screen. Now I've got two guys on the fuel dock waiting, waving them in. Beautiful boat, fresh wax job, stainless steel shined up, new bottom job. The radar arch was disconnected and hinged over so he can lay it down to clear under the Erie Canal bridges and the 19-foot-7 bridge in Chicago. This is Taylor Creek. I'm at Crackerboy's Boat Works. The marina in front of the camera is called Harbor Town, now owned by Safe Harbor, Harbor Town in Fort Pierce. If you need any work done to your boat, we offer boat management, service management, and also consulting. If you're looking to buy a boat, we can help you decide which boat will help fit your needs better. or anything in general, ask Captain Chris.